Hey everyone, Chef Burrito here, and so today we are making banana cream pie hot chocolate. So let's get started. So first, this is just like the main combination that's going to go into your hot chocolate. So first you're just going to want to start off with a few graham crackers and a food processor. I just have 2 in here. And then you're going to want to pulse until they become dang it, can't think of the word. You're just gonna want to pulse until they're like a powder. So hey, wait, I'll be back in a second once this is all done. Okay, and we're back. Once you have your graham crackers all into a nice powdery consistency, you're gonna wanna open up the top. Then you're gonna wanna add in banana, obviously, because it's a banana cream pie hot chocolate. Give me a second. Okay, I guess that works. Then you're gonna wanna add in your banana in decently small pieces. They can be pretty big, but you don't want to put a whole banana in there. So just add all of those in. And then you're going to want to add in just some cream. Obviously this is... Hey, wait, let me be back in a second. I need to grab some. Okay, so now we're back. We got that all sorted out, getting the cream in there. Now we're just going to turn on our food processor. And so you don't need to let it mix all the way like this, but once it gets pretty mixed, you're going to want to turn it off and then just pulse until it is completely finished. Yeah, that looks like banana cream pie filling right there. Okay, so now that we've got that all sorted out, give me a second to get this all taken apart. Okay, now we have everything all mixed together. And so we're just gonna wanna put all of your cream mixture into a small bowl, or just whatever size bowl you would like. Okay, sorry, didn't talk for a second there. Okay, and then just make sure everything's all mixed together, because some of the stuff like under the blade on your food processor might not got mixed in. Just make sure it's all mixed up. If it's too thick, you might want to add a little bit more cream or even just a little bit of water. Okay, so I'll be back in a second and we'll make the actual hot chocolate. Okay, now we're back. So, now we're actually starting the actual hot chocolate video. Well, hot chocolate part of the video. So add your desired amount of chocolate milk. Oh, also, guys, leave in the comments if you... Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is getting like an overhead view, so it'd be so you could see on top of the pot, so you could see everything going in the pot, and then you would see the top of my head, so pretty much like a bird's eye view of everything. And I think that would make things cool. I'd have to get I don't know how I'd do it. I'd probably have to get some sort of tripod that can stick onto walls. Okay, so once you've got all of your hot chocolate in there, you're going to want to add that banana cream filling that you just made. Or that, I don't know if you're actually going to make this from this video, so I guess banana cream filling that I just made. I mean, I hope that you guys are enjoying the videos, but also be nice if I saw some comments of people actually making the hot chocolates. I've heard some people tell me that they want to make them and that they haven't, and that's good. If you do ever end up making one of my hot chocolates, tell me. I would love to know. Okay, and then just stir. Oh, and I always forget to mention, but forgot to mention, start off at a heat of 4. Yeah, start off with at a heat of 4 with your hot chocolate. And guys, I would definitely recommend that watermelon lemonade that I made yesterday. Well, I guess I forgot to post the video until today, so I didn't see it until today, and yeah, that was stupid. I made the video and then I just completely forgot to post it. Okay, once you have it mostly mixed in, you'll still have quite a few chunks of your banana cream filling still in there. You're going to want to turn the heat up to an 8, or that's, pretty sure that's medium high heat. I don't know, that might be high heat. So, yeah. Ew. Paper towels are sticking up, you can see them. Okay, and this is gonna be a slow cooker because of how much cream is in it, so I'll be back in a minute once everything is all mixed in. Just want to add a quick note right here. Once you have everything mixed up, you're just gonna want to let it sit for a few minutes to burn off a lot of that fat from the cream. Okay, now we're back. We've let this sit here for a few minutes boiling. So now we're gonna want to mix it. We're just mixing it right now because if you're stirring it, you can feel that thick layer of fat. Because the fat doesn't want to burn. And then you'll just get a big sludge on top of your hot chocolate. If you don't scrape all the fat off the bottom. Well, I don't actually know the reason why a bunch of fat, like slime, forms on the bottom. I'm not sure, to be honest with you, why that happens. All I know is that it just happens. Okay. Okay, we've gotten most of the fat to burn out. Okay, now we're going to want to take it off heat completely. Move that to another stovetop instead of that really hot one. Then almost instantly it just stops bubbling. You're still gonna want to keep scraping the bottom for any fat that managed to stay there. And now, with this kind of hot chocolate, whatever, like, you might actually want to put more chocolate milk than you think you need, because you evaporate a lot of the liquid when you're making this, so you need to put a little bit more than you think you need in order to get enough. Okay, I'll be back in a second with this all poured, ready for the taste test. Okay guys, so we got our hot chocolate all poured, our banana cream hot chocolate, and so let's do a taste test. Okay, it's pretty good. I would recommend when you're making your actual, like, banana cream flavoring, do a banana and a half rather than just one banana, so you can get that good banana flavor in there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy your hot chocolate, and have a good day.